Joined now by Chief Meteorologist Nick Bannin. Okay, you're tracking the models over there. What's the latest that we're seeing now?
Wet and stormy here overnight,
Okay.
with some of you in the hill country seeing icing occurring before daybreak here tomorrow now, as the timing sped up slightly on the front end. So a reminder again, winter storm warning now begins at 3 a.m. for just about everybody except Mason and San Saba counties, where it already started for you at 6 this evening. The storm that's ushering in the moisture to central Texas and really for much of the state. You can see that swirling motion there on water vapor imagery. That's low pressure that is throwing moisture our way. That's why we got the clouds in today. That's why we got the fog, the drizzle, the rain, and now the thunderstorms. But farther to the north, there's already a wintry mix of sleet, freezing rain, and snow there in the blue. So easy to spot where the cold air is, and that colder air is already working into central Texas already. Widespread rain now filling in as expected, and now some thunderstorms as well, with the heaviest rain coming down into parts of Gillespie County and into southern Llano County too. Although the strongest of the thunderstorms is just south of Kerrville, outside of our viewing area. This would be on track to move into Gillespie County here within about the next hour. The general trend for tonight is for increasing coverage of rain and thunderstorms. Rain locally heavy. And then here we go, 3, 4 in the morning, starting to see that freezing rain change over for the western hill country. Not the metro, not our eastern counties, but the western hill country. If anyone's going to have icing at daybreak, thinking the northwestern portion of Williamson County would be the first place in the metro counties to see icing. But still, the most widespread coverage of icing during the first half of the day tomorrow is going to be in the hill country. Then we're going to enter this lull where many of you may think, oh, that's not too bad. That's it. Are we done? No, because as we go through the day, the coverage may be more scattered of the freezing rain and regular rain. But by far the worst of the icing is going to come Saturday evening, especially after the sun sets. Notice the big increase in freezing rain coverage here in the pink after the sun goes down. This is 7, 8 o'clock at night. This is midnight into Sunday morning. Constant freezing rain for several hours overnight into the first few hours of Sunday. But by the time you wake up Sunday, there may be a few light wintry showers left over, but we'll be drying out and then slowly trying to sneak in a little bit of some sun mixing with a lot of clouds here on Sunday. Ice accumulation forecast, about 0.15 of an inch to 0.3 of an inch of ice in the hill country, but some isolated amounts up to ½ an inch that is more than likely to cause some power outages. Lower ice amounts in the metro and most of our eastern counties from 1 to 2/10, certainly enough to lead to isolated power outages. And anytime you have any ice on the roads, it's slippery, with even lower amounts still of ice, but still considerable in our far southeastern counties. We are going to get beneficial rain out of this. We already are. 3/4 of an inch to 2 inches of rain, some localized amounts possibly higher than that. Other story, of course, is the extreme cold. We still have the extreme cold warning that the start and end time of that hasn't changed. 6 p.m. tomorrow night through Monday at noon for wind chills, teens and single digits. Notice how the temperatures tumble tonight. You're below freezing in the hill country in spots at 7 in the morning. Austin starts in the mid-30s, still mid-30s at midday, and then the numbers start to approach freezing by about 5 or 6 in the evening, and then falling below freezing soon after that. And that's why the ice takes over as our biggest concern Saturday evening, Saturday night. So our high of 38 that you see on the 7-day, that occurs early in the morning, and then the temperatures drop from there. We barely get to freezing in Austin on Sunday. Most areas will not get to the freezing mark all day Sunday. Low temperatures on Monday, our coldest morning of the season so far, teens and single digits. This doesn't even factor in the wind that'll make it feel even colder. And Monday, yes, we climb above freezing, but barely, mostly sunny and 36. And then we're back in the teens Monday night. Tuesday, mid-40s with sun and clouds. Back below freezing Tuesday night, 50s Wednesday and Thursday. And here's your first warning about the potential for another wintry mix next Friday.